So that pantry was not even supposed to be there. We created a lot of space for it because the client wanted to move the fridge forward, as she found she didn't need all the storage space in the kitchen. It was a very long wall. And we said, since we're going to be creating and moving the fridge forward, why don't I create behind it a walk-in pantry and to the side of it? So we maximized that space, and that turned into a very good snack hideout. Storage, and it's maximized because we always pull outs on the bottom part. Having a counter on, I believe it's on 2 walls there, if I remember correctly, allows you to put all the small appliances there, therefore decluttering the main kitchen. And you have open shelving on top, so you have easy access and everything is in plain sight.